So first you want to make sure it's empty. Check the chamber, nothing in there. And then you get your Allen wrench that it came with. Stick it in there. Take it out. Once you get it all the way out, don't lose it. Keep it in a safe spot. And now you can pop this out, making sure that the safety is in the middle so it can push through, just like that. So now you're left with this. You can take these pins out. Then you have the bolt. To take the bolt out, you need to take out this pin. Then, holding the bolt down, pull back, and it should be able to come out. Just like that. And that's pretty thorough disassembly. You can go more into it, but that's about all that I like to do. Now, putting it back together can be difficult. You need to have this all the way pushed back. And drop the bolt in. Finally, after some pushing with this, pushing down, I was able to get this bolt in there. And then from here on, it's pretty straightforward. Just get this back, and this. Make sure to get all of your pins back in. And then you can, once you have everything back together, just put her back in there. Get the screw back in. That's basically it. Thank you for watching.